Hi guys, welcome to Any Knowledge. I will show you how to get this letter from Google AdSense after creating AdSense account and how to make money from your YouTube channel after getting this PIN number and become a YouTuber. Before starting the video, I want to thank everyone who make it possible in a short span of time. Thanks to all 14,000 subscribers and lakhs of viewers. Hope you all supporting me in this way. Okay, let's start the main topics. At first, I will show you how to create a AdSense account, then how to link with your YouTube channel, and then how to activate the account and link with bank. The updated guideline, YouTube has introduced some new guidelines to get monetize your videos. So basically what you need to have now is a total of 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch time in order to monetize your videos. In other words, in order to make money from your YouTube channel, you have to complete these two conditions. Although it is really disappointing, but put it into perspective because it is not bad as it sounds. At first, you go to any browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox and search Google AdSense and click here. Then this page will open. When your channel earns minimum $10, then you will get the letter which I already show you. Now here you can sign in or sign up. If you already have an Google AdSense account, then you simply sign in and link with your YouTube channel. And if you want to create a new channel, then click in sign up now button. In the first line here you have to enter your URL, then your email address, and choose any one option from here, yes or no, and save and next. It is done. Simple process. Okay, now I will show you how to get the URL from your channel. To get the link, just go to your YouTube channel. At the top of the right corner, click on the logo on your channel. Here your channel name will appear. Just scroll down, click on your channel option, then next page you can see these two options, customize channel and YouTube studio. Click on YouTube studio. In the previous version it was a classical studio, and now the updated version is YouTube studio beta, so all work will be on YouTube studio beta. Now you can see all details of your channel, current subscriber, watch time, total view, all everything here. Since it is a new and dummy channel that I create just to show how to open a YouTube channel, so here's number of subscribers is 0 and watch time is also 0. To enable monetization, we have to fulfill these two conditions. The first one is 1000 subscribers and 4000 hour watch time. Since here both conditions are not fulfilled, so the option is notify me when I am eligible. But if we fulfill these two conditions, then here the option notify me when I am eligible, you will get apply now. Okay, I will show you a YouTube channel which already fulfilled these two conditions. Okay, you can see here number of subscribers is more than 1000 and watch time is more than 5000. So both the conditions are fulfilled, so you directly click here apply now. Okay, here we have to complete 3 steps. And the first step is review partner program terms and conditions. Here some terms and conditions like your age is under 18 years, you need to ask a parent, and your revenue 55% revenue will pay to your Google AdSense, etc. Just accept them and our first step is done. Now we have to complete the second step. Second step is sign up for Google AdSense. Click on start option here. You will get 3 options. The first one is yes, I have an existing account. Second one is no, I don't have, and the third one is I don't know. If you already have an account, then simply choose the first option and submit it. Okay, since we will create here. So we have to choose the second option, I don't have. Okay, and continue. After completing the second step, the third step is get review. It will be automatically done by the Google after verifying the details we have submitted. After successful completion of the third step, that is when Google verifies these two steps successfully, and when your channel earn more than $10, then you will receive this letter at your home address and you get the PIN number inside it. To get this letter, you have to verify two things. The first one is identity proof and the second one is address proof. Okay, I will show you step by step. If you like the video, then please subscribe any knowledge and press the bell icon to get the notification. For any confusion, please don't hesitate to comment below. Okay, now log in your AdSense account. You can see here all details of your channel earning. Here at the beginning line, you can see your payments in hold. Action is required to release the payment. The first line here. Now you click on the action button. In the next step, we have to verify your identity to receive payment. Click on verify now. To verify your identity, you have to give a valid photo identity proof. For India, here some examples are given. You can give your driving license, voter ID, passport or PAN card also, except by the AdSense. Take a good quality photo of your ID card and upload it by clicking here. Click on update photo ID and select your ID proof. Okay, scroll down and select it. Okay, now after successfully uploading your ID, scroll down and fill up your name and address. Please don't make any mistake here. Fill up it very carefully because the PIN number which Google AdSense will send you will receive by this address. Enter your name, address, city, post office, state, everything. Okay. Now you can see verification in progress. Our work is complete now. So Google will verify the ID proof and send the PIN number at the address which I already entered. Okay, it will take some time to verify, and after successful verification they will send a letter containing the PIN number at this address. It will take 2 to 4 weeks. When you receive the letter, enter the PIN number and activate the account and transfer your earning to bank account. Now again log in your AdSense account and you can see here your payments are currently on hold because you have not verified your address. At the first time when you click on action button, then you can see you have to verify your identity to receive payments, but now you can see here your payments are currently on hold because of you have not verified your address. Click on action button, same as identity proof process. To verify the address, you have to enter your PIN number. Your earning is only in the basis of ads on your videos, not based on number of views on your video. You can see all details of your PIN number, when generated, date and month. Here PIN was sent to the address which we entered, so very carefully enter your address, and after getting PIN number, submit it very carefully, because if you entered your PIN number incorrectly 3 times, ad serving will be suspended. It is clearly written here, you can see here. Now enter your PIN number and submit PIN. Okay, it is done. We have completed our all the steps. Now you can check it is submitted successfully or not. Just log in again and go to the action button. Here you can see submit PIN button is disabled. That means it is submitted successfully, but Google have to verify the authenticity of your address proof. That means your PIN number. Verification, you can choose payment method and transfer your earning from YouTube channel to AdSense account and from AdSense account to your bank account. Thanks for watching the video. If you want any support to grow channel, don't hesitate to comment. I will definitely help you. Thank you.